Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Google Trends. After opening the browser and searching for Google Trends and clicking the link, you'll be brought to this page. And as you can see, they have a few examples, one of which is football and American football. As you can see by the red, American football has more searches than football, otherwise known as soccer here in the US. Alright, let's look up a topic. How about matcha tea? As you can see, the time period is the past 12 months in the United States. This line graph represents the interest over time. And at March 24th through the 30th of 2019, that time period has received the most amount of searches for matcha tea. Whereas March 10th through the 16th has received 95%. What that means is that this time period has 95% of the total searches, which this has the total. Alright, let's scroll down to the map. As you can see, each of the states has a different shade of blue, with California being the darkest, and this one not having any at all, meaning that there's no data for that one. You can also see the ranking here. If you wish to click on a particular state to see which parts of it have more popularity with matcha tea searches than others, you can. And here's once again another line graph. If you look at Los Angeles, California, it has the highest number of searches in California. So Fresno, whatever, California has 73% of the total searches that this place has had. Let's go back to the main page. Down below, you will also see related topics and related queries, and you can go through the different pages of them, and you can do the same for the map. Alright, let's add green tea. Oops. As you can see, green tea is more popular than matcha tea, green being represented by red, matcha being blue. And this particular map has both, but because green tea is searched way more than matcha tea, even though matcha is a form of green tea, it's just going to show the green tea. And these two maps right here show the interest for each item separately. This is the same one as for just matcha, and this one is what green tea has. You can also add another item and several more. Let's do coffee. As you can see, coffee is even more popular than green tea by a huge amount, and the map is all gold because coffee is way more popular than green tea. Once again, here are some of the maps. Now, if you want to remove one or two of the search things, you click on the three dots and click remove, and then it'll be removed. But if you want to start completely over, instead of removing everything, you just click Google Trends, and you'll be brought back to this page. Thank you, and have a great day.